Finding the right camera for photography can be difficult because there are a huge number of options available. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best cameras for photography on the market this year based on price versus performance and what type of photographer you are. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which camera for photography will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. This full-frame digital DSLR camera is definitely the best DSLR Canon has to offer at the moment. It has everything you might need, and then some features on top. For starters, let's look at the design. Recognizable Canon style, but with many buttons that allow simple optimization in different shooting conditions. The full-frame 30.4 megapixel CMOS sensor is there to enable shooting versatility. It delivers high-resolution photographs and 4K videos with stunning detail and perfect clarity. When it comes to the AF system, this powerful camera boasts a 61-point dual-pixel CMOS AF and Touch AF, which track objects wonderfully and are easy to operate. 5D Mark IV features an amazing ISO range that goes from 100 to 32,000. Which means this camera won't disappoint in low light conditions. If, on the other hand, you're looking to do continuous shots, this camera can handle up to 7 FPS with perfectly accurate focus tracking and exposure. When it comes to video capture, it is rather impressive. This camera can record DCI standard 4K videos at up to 30 frames per second, and individual frames from these videos can be saved as 8.8 million pixel still images. The Intelligent Viewfinder 2 offers a customizable bright view that also includes relevant camera settings. And lastly, this camera has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can use remote shooting, review, and transfer options. If you're looking for the best of the best, something that can produce professional-grade photos and videos, this is likely the option for you. It has a full-frame sensor, dual-pixel AF that's great for making videos, built-in GPS, and it offers superior ISO capabilities. It delivers unbelievable quality photos, colors are clear and vibrant, and is a camera you won't have to worry about replacing for a long time. Number 4 on our list is Sony a7 III, our choice for the best budget camera for photography. The Sony a7 III has a durable magnesium alloy body and a stylish overall design, making it one of the best looking cameras for photography. It has full weather sealing, so you won't have to worry about exposing it to the elements when shooting. One of the best things about this camera is that its viewfinder offers 100% coverage. It also has 0.78 times magnification, making it easier to take great looking pictures in any scenario. The 6000 by 4000 resolution and 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor means that you'll always get sharp and detailed photos. The in-body image stabilization keeps blur and distortion to a minimum, even when you are taking pictures of high-speed action. The 921,600 dot LCD screen has a sharp picture that lets you preview and view photos with absolute clarity. You can take up to 710 shots with this camera before having to recharge it, which is pretty incredible. It weighs only 650 grams, or 23 ounces, making it exceptionally lightweight and compact. You also have the option of recording slow-motion HD video at an amazing 120 frames per second. There is built-in Wi-Fi, so you can transfer the photos and videos you take to your phone to upload on social media quickly. We all know that knowing how to use a camera correctly is equally, if not more important than the actual equipment you're purchasing. If you're looking to upgrade your photography and cinematography game to a near-professional level, regardless of which camera you purchase, I'd recommend this course from Fro Knows Photos. This course breaks down filming strategy for YouTube, short films, music videos, sports events, and more. For anyone looking to step up their film and photography abilities, I'd recommend checking out the link in the description. Number 3 on our list is Nikon D850, our choice for the best overall camera for photography. The Nikon D850 has an incredible 45.7 megapixel illuminated CMOS sensor that results in flawless photos every single time. The color accuracy and overall sharpness of the picture is very impressive. This is in large part due to the X-Speed 5 processor, which minimizes noise and distortion. This camera's 153-point autofocus system has 99 cross-type sensors for quick and accurate focusing on subjects. You can use this camera to record striking 4K ultra-high-definition videos in full frame. You also have the option to record 8K time-lapse sequences of up to 9,999 full-size stills with the interval timer mode. It also allows for slow-motion videos at an impressive 120 frames per second. The versatile sound controls of this camera allow you to record great quality audio with your videos. Its microphone is extremely sensitive while still preventing problems with distortion and noise. Another great feature of the D850 is its multi-tilt LCD screen, which has an intuitive touch interface. You can use this display to play back videos that you have recorded. All of the menus are very easy to navigate through. The built-in Bluetooth allows you to connect this camera to your smartphone via the SnapBridge mobile app. It lets you transfer photos and videos to your phone quickly and effectively. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 2 on our list is Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II offers advanced video capabilities that will allow you to take high-quality pictures in stunning detail. The 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor is paired with TTL autofocus and manual focus for an extremely versatile design. All of the pictures this camera takes are incredibly good-looking in every way. This camera's high-resolution 3-inch LCD monitor tilts 180 degrees up and 45 degrees down, which makes it easier to take different types of pictures. There is also built-in Wi-Fi and NFC wireless connectivity options, which let you post your photos and videos to social media faster than ever. You can shoot HD video with this camera at up to 8 frames per second. The 4.2 times optical zoom lens allows you to get close to your subjects from a distance for clear and blur-free pictures. You will get the best possible clarity even when you are shooting in high ISO. Any photographer will be sure to appreciate the sleek and compact design of this camera. It measures 1.6 by 2.4 by 4.2 inches and weighs only 1.4 pounds. You will have no problems whatsoever keeping it on your person for long shoots. This camera boasts a surprisingly durable construction for years of regular use. Number 1 on our list is Canon EOS Rebel T7i. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i has a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor that gives you crystal clear pictures with an amazing level of clarity and detail. It also features built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity for establishing a wireless connection with your smartphone. You can transfer the photos and videos you take within seconds. You can use this camera for continuous shooting up to 60 frames per second, which is impressive to say the least. The 45-point all-cross-type optical viewfinder autofocus system lets you focus in on your subjects as effectively as possible. There is also a 3-inch vari-angle touch LCD screen on the rear of this camera that can be easily adjusted to get the perfect viewing angle when taking pictures. The Feature Assistant will help you learn how to use all of the different features within minutes. It is very helpful if you are just starting to get into photography and need some help initially. You will be able to use a wide range of optical lenses with this camera for taking the absolute best pictures. There are also tons of wide-angle lenses, STM lenses, prime lenses, and telephoto lenses to choose from. This is one of the best versatile digital cameras on the market right now. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.